in this conference of MPCG, means Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh State Chapter of ARI, Association of Traditional Oncologists of India, we have made this academic feast, including all the aspects of sites like head and neck, breast, cervix, all sites we have included, and we try to update the recent advances to the all PGs and budding radiation oncologists, and this will lead to the gain in the knowledge and also the aspects related to these sites, what is new in research, what can be possible, and research part, especially the common things we observe daily in life should be included in the part of the research. Research should be the output based so that it can be implemented on the patient and general public. This is very important. So MPCG chapter this time organized by us in AIIMS Bhopal with association with the state chapter. All the office bearer are here, and we made a new body also, that is with the inclusion of all the members and in a democratic way, so that no all areas should be involved in future also, and all remote areas having a radiation oncologist there should be a part and parcel of the Radiation Oncologist Association and state chapter.